Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to clean the gasket area on our Samsung front load washing machine. So let's check it out. Even though we are using Samsung front load washer for doing this, these steps should be more or less applicable for other brand front load washing machines too. But it is always good to refer the user manual to learn more about our machine. In this scenario, we are just going to use a mild dishwashing soap and warm water. When we have heavy visible mold and strong odor, we can use bleach, vinegar or the specialized Dettol washing machine cleaner. We should not mix all of them. We have to use just only one. We will make a separate video for this Dettol liquid cleaner soon. Please do subscribe to get notified about that. So right now we are just going to use this mild liquid detergent with warm water. I mixed them in this spray bottle and this rubber gloves, this soft sponge, this microfiber cloth, soft toothbrush or any brush and some quality tissue papers. That's all. We can keep all of them ready. Before we start, don't forget to remove all the clothes inside if we have any. Then turn off the machine and turn off the power socket as well. We can unplug this as well. Now we can open the drum door and we can use the tissue paper to do a basic cleaning first. We can start from the top and clean the other areas. We can do like this. This will help us to give a good start. We can see the black dirt here. After that, we can spray the liquid solution we have in the gasket area completely. We can then use this soft sponge or a cloth and start to clean this area. We should not use any sharp objects here. This is a sensitive material. If we have any stubborn stains, then we can apply the solution and leave it there for 5 to 10 minutes. Then we can start to clean this. We have to handle this gasket area carefully. We should not put any extreme pressure. When we get bad smell from our washer, that usually means we have mold buildup here. This will affect both our machine and our clothes. We can take our time and clean everything properly. We can also use a soft brush to clean any hard black spots. We can pull the rubber gasket like this and check the hidden folds. This is where we often find coins, clips, hair, etc. We have to clear all of them. We have to clean this area and also this area inside. We have to open it like this and we have to start to clean it. Don't put too much of pressure. This is sensitive, so handle this carefully and we can start to clean this. And also we have to go to the top and clean that area too. We can see the dirt we have inside the gasket. So this is why we should regularly clean this. We can use a soft brush to clear any stubborn stains. We can use this soft brush. Can use this to clear all those hard dirt. After we are done with this, we can use a dry microfiber cloth to clear all the moisture. We can again take our time and clean this properly. We have to make sure it is completely dry. In our gasket area, we will have small holes like this. We have to make sure it is not covered by any dirt. We have to clear this completely. We only did a basic clean for our washing machine's gasket. We plan to use this Dettol washing machine cleaner in 10 days. We will share a video for that. Again, subscribe to get notified about this. Now once we are done with this, we can do a drum clean if we want, or we can run a complete empty hot wash cycle. This will help to clean the internal drum as well. Our washer's gasket is a very important part and we have to clean this regularly. Please keep these points in mind. Clean the gasket at least once a month for normal usage or once every 2 weeks for daily usage. usage. Always leave the drum door open for a few minutes after every wash. Don't use excessive detergent while washing clothes, and always do drum clean for your washing machine regularly. According to your machine model, you can check your user manual for this. These are the steps to clean the gasket area on our Samsung front load washing machine. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.